Hello guys, welcome to Imtiaz Technical. So guys, today I am going to show how to convert PDF to Excel. So very easy. See, this is my PDF file. You can see. Now I am going to convert this to Excel. You can go your Chrome browser, then here find PDF to Excel converter free. Then you have to open this first link. You can see here is coming huge file. You have to select your PDF file, then open. Now uploading. Then you can see here this convert to Excel. You have to click here and now converting. You can see here coming this downloading option. You have to click here, downloading. Then you go to download list. You can see here this is my Excel file. So guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for latest update.